Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, fit and safe at your homes. Welcome back in your maths class, class 5th, subject mathematics. This is our chapter 5. Name of the chapter is simple interest and it is a lecture number 2. Today's subtopics are we will do statement sums, one and 2 of exercise 5B. Along with this, we will do formulas, for calculating principal, period of time, and rate of interest. These formulas for finding out principal, for finding out time and for finding out rate, we will understand from the formula of simple interest. So these are the subtopics. Along with this, we will do homework discussion of lecture 1. Let's start with the exercise 5B. Question number 1. Mary borrowed होता उधार लेना ₹1400 at the rate of 6% per annum. For 8 years and 5 months. Find the amount she paid back. पेड बैक वापस दी, राइट. मैरी बोरोड ₹1400 एट द रेट ऑफ 6% पर एनम. मैरी ने 1400 रुपीज उधार लिए, किस रेट पे? 6% पर एनम, पर ईयर. कितने टाइम के लिए? फॉर 8 years and 5 months. दिस इज द change in this question. Previously we have done for 8 years, 10 years, 12 years. Now it is years and months together. Find the amount she paid back. कितनी अमाउंट उसने इतने टाइम के बाद, 8 years और 5 months के बाद पे की. Let's start the solution. The money borrowed is known as principal. ₹1,400. Rate 6% per annum. And time 8 years 5 months. Now you should know that the important fact which is given in your book, if the time is given in months, then it should be divided by 12 to convert into year. If the time is given in month, it should be divided by 12 to convert it into years. So it will become 8 years or you can write down directly 8 5 by 12 years. 1 year has 12 months. Yes. So 1 month, 1 upon 12 year, and 5 months, 5 upon 12. Understood? That's why we are dividing it with 12. So whenever months is given, you have to divide it with 12 to convert it into years. Right? Now time will become 12 8s are 96. 96 plus 5, 101 upon 12 years. This is the time. Now we have to calculate the interest first, simple interest. P into R into T upon 100. Principal rupees 1400 multiply time T multiply rate 6% into time 101 upon 12. 12 will become denominator. Upon we write down 100. P into R into T upon 100. Understood? Now do cancellation of these zeros. Right? 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 2 1s are 2. 2 7s are 14. Now 7 multiply 101. It will become rupees 707. So simple interest is rupees 707. Simple interest is rupees 707. And we have to calculate the amount. Amount is equal to principal plus interest. Principal 1400 plus interest is rupees 707. Do addition. Zero plus 7 7. 0. 7 plus 4 11. 1 plus 1 2. So rupees 2107 is the amount. Got it? Now question number 2 of exercise 5B. Raj deposited rupees 14,600 at a rate of 14% per annum. For 175 days. Now time is given in the form of days. Find the amount he received after 175 days. He received after 175 days. Now look here. राज ने डिपॉजिटेड किए, जमा करवाए 14,600 रुपीज 14% पर ईयर के हिसाब से 175 डेज के लिए. वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द अमाउंट. नाउ नोट डाउन दिस थिंग. When the time is given in days, then it should be divided by 365 to convert it into years. Okay, because we all know 365 days is equal to 1 year. So 1 day, 1 upon 365 years. And now here given 175 days is equal to 175 divided by 365 year. No need to solve this always, as it is given in your book in important facts. When the time is given in days, divide it with 365 to convert into years. So principal is given to us rupees 14,600. Okay, and then rate is given 14%. Time is 175 days is equal to 175 upon 365 year. Right, now we have to calculate simple interest. Understood? So you know the formula of simple interest: principal into rate into time upon 100. Principal rupees 14,600, rate 14%, time 175 upon 365 upon 100 is also there. Now cancel these zeros, right? Now cancel here with the table of 5. 5 3s are 15. 2 will left. 5 5s are 25. 5 7s are 35. 5 3s are 50. Right? Now 73 1s are 73. 73 2s are 146. Right? Now 35 2s are 70. 70 multiplied by 40. So you all know 14 sevens are 98. So it will become 980. So you will get your answer rupees 980. It is your rough column. Simple interest you are getting now rupees 980. Amount is equal to simple interest plus principal plus interest. So principal is rupees 14,600 plus interest is rupees 980. So do addition. 980 0 plus 0 8 9 plus 6 15 4 plus 1 5 5 plus 0 5 only and 1. So interest amount is rupees 15,580. Understood? In this way you have to calculate simple interest and amount if the time is given in months or in days. Now we will understand how to find out the principal, period of time and rate of interest. To find the principal, when first is to find the principal. To find the principal when time, interest and rate are given. Okay. Now as interest is given, so interest P into R into T upon 100. Okay. This interest is given to us. rate is given, time is given. Principal we have to calculate. So principal will be written separately. Now 100 will shift with interest. So it will be interest into 100 upon rate, and time will become denominator to the left side. So rate into time. So we have shifted here. Now principal is equal to interest multiply 100 upon rate multiply time. Got it? Second case is here to find the rate. When principal, interest and times are given. Principal, interest and time are given. Okay. Now again we will use that same formula. P into R into T upon 100. We have to find a rate. Rate will be separated. Interest multiply 100 upon principal into time. Understood? Now third case is here. When time, to find time, when principal, interest and rate are given. Okay, now we have to calculate time. Again we will use the same formula of interest, right? एक ही फॉर्मूले से हम बाकी चीजों को कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं. Now we have to calculate time. Interest is equal to principal into rate into time upon 100. To calculate time, separate it. Interest multiply 100 upon rate into principal. These will become denominator. R into P. So these are the formulas which we have derived from the formula of simple interest. Right? Now homework time. So your homework is do questions 3 and 4 of exercise 5B in maths practice notebook. Maths PNB, that is practice notebook. Question 1 and 2 we have done, and 3 and 4 are given for homework. Now we will do homework discussion of lecture 1. So take out your practice notebooks. Homework discussion of lecture 1. In lecture 1, question 1, A part. Question 1, which part was given? B part. Question 2, B part. And question number 3 were given. So let's see what was the question. Question 1, B part. Interest was given. Rupees 500. Amount rupees 4,900. And principal is equal to dash. So you have to calculate principal. Amount is equal to principal plus interest. As we have to calculate principal, now interest will shift here. So principal is equal to amount minus interest. So amount minus interest, rupees 4,900 minus rupees 500. 49 minus 5 will become 44. So principal will become 4,400. The space is provided in book. You have to fill the answer there. Okay. Question number 2. B part was given. It is also filling the blanks. Given terms are principal rupees 5,000. Rate percent is given 8%. Time is given 1 year. Simple interest is also given, rupees 400. And we have to calculate amount. So, amount we have to calculate. We know that amount is equal to principal plus interest. So, there is no need of using rate and time. रेट और टाइम को हम तब यूज करते हैं जब हमें सिंपल इंटरेस्ट निकालना होता है, बट सिंपल इंटरेस्ट भी गिवन है. सो अमाउंट इज इक्वल टू प्रिंसिपल प्लस इंटरेस्ट रुपीज 5,000 प्लस रुपीज 400. इट विल बिकम रुपीज 5,400. ओके. Now question number 3, which was given in homework. Meera borrowed rupees 4,500 from Shyam at the rate of 5% per annum. So principal is given rupees 4,500 at the rate of, it is also given 5% per annum. How much did she pay back to Shyam after 4 years? Time is also given 4 years. Also find the interest paid by Meera. कितना इंटरेस्ट मीरा ने पे किया, ये आपको कैलकुलेट करना है. So in this question you have to calculate interest and amount both. Simple interest, principal into rate into time upon 100. Rupees 4,500 multiply 5 into 4 upon 100. Cancel these 2 zeros. Okay. 5 4s are 20. 45 multiply by 20. 45 2s are 90. And 20s are 900. So simple interest is rupees 900. And amount, principal plus interest. So rupees 4,500 plus rupees 900. 45 plus 9, 54. So it will become rupees 5,400. Okay. So this is the amount which Meera had to pay. If you have got correct answers, then very good. If no, you will do correction work. That's all for today. Kindly like our videos and subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.